Here are the ingredients for the our black peas and sweet potato vegan burger, and just all our seasonings right there. Some black pepper, herb and garlic seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, paprika, some thyme. I had a little piece of red pepper, so I'm going to use it. Some Scotch bonnet pepper, and some onions. Got some coconut oil to saute our onions in. And this is our sweet potato. This is the Caribbean sweet potato. The flesh is white. It's not the yellow one. So make sure you buy the this one. Okay, when I peel it, you'll see what the inside looks like. The start of our vegan burger. On the back, here I have the sweet potato boiling. I started it in cold water and boiled up to a boil, cold salted water, and just will cook it until it gets tender. So this is 3 minutes later. The onions are soft, and I'm going to take them out of the pan and put them aside to cool while I prepare the rest of the ingredients for the burger. Okay, now the sweet potatoes are cooled. I quick cool them by putting them in the freezer for about 5 minutes, so they're soft. And you would just mash them. Then add the beans. I'm using half of a 15.5 can beans of can of black beans. Okay, I have crushed in the 15.5 ounce can of black beans. I've gotten them to this stage. Now I'm going to add the seasonings. So here we have the herb seasonings. I'm not going to use much of that. Paprika is on there. And that's the hot pepper and the sweet pepper. Mix everything in. Add the onions that we sauteed earlier in the coconut oil. Mix everything together well. Now I have a half cup of oats here. I'm going to add to it. I'm going to put a little in first and just see how it goes. The oats would act like a binder. You can also use flour instead of the oats. Just taste the mixture. Needs a little bit more salt. I'm going to add some garlic salt to it. Of course, you can always add salt to your taste. I'm going to bump it up a little bit more. Some salt. Put the rest of the and then last, I'm going to add the juice of a lime to brighten up the flavors. Not a very juicy lime, as much as a okay, here are our burgers. I divided the mixture in half and then half again, making 4 different burgers, and just shaped them. I didn't pack them real hard. I just basically shaped them. And now I'm going to put them in the fridge for an hour. That's just to help to solidify them. To cook them right now, they may break apart. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, here after an hour or so in the fridge, I have a little oil in the pan and I have 2 burgers in there. I'm going to brown them on both sides and until it's cooked all the way through. Okay, as you can see, I took a couple of chunks out of it, and it tastes really good. I'm surprised because I didn't know what to expect really, but it tastes really good. The burger could be a little firmer, but it is my first time doing it, so I give myself a thumbs up, and it does taste good.